Hi students, today I am going to dictate a legal passage at 100 words per minute. Start. The appellant, a housewife, is in appeal against inadequacy of compensation granted to her in a motor accident case. The appellant, while travelling in a bus belonging to respondent number 3 on 25th 12 2008, met with an accident when a lorry rashly and negligently dashed against the bus. The appellant suffered 9 injuries, out of which 7 were grievous in nature. Plaintiff witness 4, the orthopedic surgeon who operated upon the appellant, deposed that she had suffered 32% total body disability and was not capable of doing household work. The tribunal awarded a total compensation of rupees 5,82,500 with interest at the rate of 6% redetermined by the High Court in appeal at rupees 6,50,350. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that the assessment of income at rupees 4,250 per month was inadequate. The appellant had claimed an income of rupees 6,000 per month from a tailoring business, which should have been the basis for assessment of loss of income. The medical opinion of plaintiff witness 4 with regard to extent of whole body disability has been arbitrarily reduced to 20%. Learned counsel for respondent number 1 submitted that the High Court has adequately enhanced the compensation, which call for no further interference. We have considered the submissions on behalf of the parties. The appellant failed to lead any evidence in support of her claimed profession as a tailor, earning approximately rupees 6,000 per month, and therefore it has rightly been rejected. The tribunal assessed the national income of the appellant as a housewife at rupees 3,000 per month, which has been enhanced by the High Court to rupees 4,250, and we find no reason to interfere with the same. The appellant has been awarded rupees 3 lakh towards medical expenses as she failed to lead acceptable evidence in support of her claim for rupees 4 lakh. We find no reason to interfere with the same also. However, we are of the considered opinion that, considering the nature of injuries and age of the appellant, the award of rupees 25,000 only towards loss of amenities and future happiness is inadequate and is enhanced to rupees 50,000. Plaintiff witness 4, the orthopedic surgeon, deposed that the appellant had suffered 9 injuries, of which 7 were grievous in nature, and she had to undergo 2 surgeries which left her disabled from doing household work and unable to walk without the aid of crutches. Her whole body disability was medically assessed at 32%. The tribunal, by hair splitting the expert evidence, assessed the whole body disability at 15%. The High Court, for inexplicable reasons, opined that it would be reasonable to determine the whole body disability at 20%. The appellant is entitled to loss of future earning on basis of the whole body disability of 32% as opined by plaintiff witness 4. The compensation under that head is therefore redrawn, awarding rupees 2,12,160. The appellant is therefore held entitled to a total compensation of rupees 7,54,910 along with interest at the rate of 6% from the date of petition till the date of realization. The appeal is allowed.